Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the BetterLife Bunny. And as you can see right off the bat, we have it here on Amazon. And as you can see from the pictures here, it is poorly edited, as you can see. I don't know who made this, but they were not even trying. As you can see, they were just cutouts. These bunnies are just cutouts, as you can see from the sharp edges right there. And if you just take a look right here, it is basically just a regular bunny. It is not a real life bunny, working real life bunny, or like realistic bunny. This is just a stuffed toy. And if you head on over here to the reviews right here, if you scroll down, as you can see, it is rated 2 out of 5 stars with a lot of 1-star reviews. And please do not believe in this product. It is false advertising. Do not buy. Cute but loud, annoying, battery draining. Item is cheap, not what the photos and videos make it out to be. And basically, this product is basically just a scam. Even here on Trustpilot here, if you read the reviews, it is also rated 2.9 out of 5 stars. Better Life, MF scam. Life like bunnies. This company is supposedly selling cute bunnies, blah blah blah. Basically, it's a scam. And please do not buy this product. And yeah, that is it. That is my review on the Better Life Bunny product. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.